Republic Act Number 7877. It is also known as the Anti-Sexual Harassment Act of 1995. It is an act which says that sexual harassment in the employment, education, or training environment is unlawful. This law upholds the dignity and human rights of the persons mentioned before. So, what is work, education, or training-related sexual harassment? It is when an employer, employee, manager, supervisor, agent of the employer, teacher, instructor, professor, coach, trainer, or any other person with authority demands or requires sexual favors from the other. It can come in the form of condition for employment, gaining favorable compensation, and getting promotions. In the educational setting, sexual favors can be granted in exchange of passing grades, honors, scholarships, and other benefits. Aside from a hostile and offensive environment, the refusal to accept sexual favors can deprive the rights and cause segregation against the victim. Any found offenders will be liable under this act. Several provisions under this RA are: in Section 5, liability of the employer, head office, educational or training institution. Once informed, they are liable for the damages caused in the institution. Section 6, independent action for damages. An independent action against the offender may be taken by the victim. Section 7, penalties. Imprisonment of not less than 1 month nor more than 6 months, or a fine of not less than 10,000 pesos nor more than 20,000 pesos, or both, depending on the decision of the court. 3 years will be given to any violations on any of the provisions.